Today's topic, embedded questions. What is an embedded question? An embedded question is a question that is included inside another question or statement. They are common after introductory phrases, such as, "Could you tell me when she comes?" Structure, interrogative plus assertive or assertive plus interrogative sentence. Here the first sentence is correct, but the second one is wrong. Do you know who that boy was? Do you know who that boy was? Can you tell me where the hospital is? Can you tell me where the hospital is? I know how much the car is. I know how much the car is. I don't know what he wants. I don't know what he wants. Like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.